Hey Reese, great job as always. I love your post. It's designed very well. I really love your idea for assessing your students. I think your presentation is beautiful. It's great. It's very clean and concise, and I really like the idea of your students being able to add their submissions directly to the slideshow. I found some resources, and Kaylee Davenport stated in 2018 that offering students a choice for their assessment helps the students to feel more empowered and more engaged in your course and more engaged with the material. So I think you've done a really, really great job with your choice of assessment. I think your post looks perfect, and the only thing that I would change is up here where you put the link to the Voki. I would just embed it, but you already said that you would work on doing that. So that's really the only thing that I would change. So good job. And I think this is going to be a really great addition to your mini lesson.